Well, let me show you how to update your address on the Tawtheeq account or the national authentication system. So once you've logged in, you have to make sure you have clicked on personal information. Then it's going to display this information. Then after, you're going to come here on address. And usually your address, it is usually the address of where you sleep or where you stay. And every building in Qatar has got its own address. So assume you are staying somewhere and then all of a sudden you changed the location and you want to update your address in the Tawtheeq account. So you go where the field for address is, then you feed in the new address as you're seeing. After, you're going to come here, I'm not a robot, then I'm going to click on save. When you click on save, your new address is going to be saved into the what? Into the system. So user account updated successfully. So after, they're going to send you a message there and then that your account has been, or your profile data has been changed. So that's how you're able to update your address in the Tawtheeq account. Thank you.